Hey guys, Stealth Warrior 36 here, and today I'm doing another unboxing. And I was just at, where is it? CQB City. That's a really cool, it's the biggest airsoft indoor field in the nation, and you should really go check them out. I'll leave a link to their website in the description, but I just want to open this package. I've been driving for hours. So in the box, there's a Walther P99 gas blowback. That's pretty cool. There's a UMP 45 mag pouch right here. A tactical belt holster. It looks like a single point sling. A UMP 45 magazine. And for those of you that don't know, my dad has just gotten a UMP 45. And he's getting his gear together. An AEG spring. Is this for your or mine? Your gun or my gun?
It works with any gun. I think it's a standard spring size.
An extra magazine for the P99. They're pretty weird looking. They're really like straight. Packing slips, so thank you from Evike. Cool. Nothing else. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. The Stealth Warrior 36 night.